Magestic is a robust app builder that lets you create your custom user interface in just minutes. With easy-to-use drag-and-drop tools, you can build your own user interface on top of APIs without writing any code. Let's take a closer look at the key features. At the top of the interface, you'll see the mode switcher. This allows you to toggle between two main modes. The build mode is where you design and structure your app, and the view mode is where you interact with your app as a user. In view mode, you can navigate pages, interact with the content, like browsing data tables, applying filters, viewing details of a single entry, and even creating, editing entries, or deleting entries. It's a full app experience right at your fingertip. Now, let's switch back to build mode. On the left side of your screen is the Pages panel, where you can create, rename, or delete pages. Each page acts as a blank canvas, ready for you to fill with components. In the center of the screen is the main area. This is your visual canvas, where the magic happens. Simply drag and drop components to start building your app. Components are like building blocks. You can add a data table, a form, or a single entry view, whatever your app needs. You can rearrange, resize, or remove components at any time. On the right side of your screen is the right side panel. This is your toolset for adding components, configuring them, and populating them with data. To add a new component, simply select the type you need, drag it into the main area, and give it a name that reflects its purpose. In the data section of the right side panel, you'll define the content that will populate your components. Start by selecting an API service you've enabled, choose the resource type, and then drag the relevant attributes onto your components to display the information you need. For example, in a data table, attributes might include columns, filters, or pagination controls. In a form, they represent the input fields your users will interact with. You can work with data from multiple API services within a single app or even on a single page. For example, you could display a WooCommerce orders table right next to a Twilio-powered form that lets you send text message updates to customers about their order status. Magestic's app builder is designed to make building apps as intuitive and flexible as possible. To learn more or explore advanced features, check out our tutorials or dive right in and start building your app today.